Hello and welcome to Daily Dose of Tarot Guidance, where you get readings for yourself in just 1 minute and 11 seconds. Today's pick a card reading topic is: what is the blessings that are being unlocked by Ma Lakshmi? And when Ma Lakshmi unlocks the blessings, they are definitely related to abundance, prosperity, fortune, money, because she is the goddess of all of that. We will try to learn that in just 1 minute and 11 seconds for you in 3 piles that are in front. So select the one that connects most to you. Of course, this is a short tarot reading, but if you are interested in long format videos, that too in Hindi language, you are free to check out my another channel where reading comes almost on alternate days. But here the regular readings come in English on the daily basis. So pause the video, choose your pile, and I'll directly see you at your reading now. Hello, if you are someone who has chosen the pile number 1, the blessings that are being unlocked by Ma Lakshmi is of you having those resources that you are able to rest, you are able to enjoy yourself, and you are able to maintain and manage the things accordingly. So basically, Ma is giving you that financial abundance. Expect that happen between 4 weeks to 4 months of time frame, where you are being given a certain opportunity, a certain situation that allows you to enjoy the things on your own terms. You are being provided the resource that somehow gives you the boss energy, because this particular resource is going to give you that upper hand in terms of money, power, position amongst other people. You are going to enjoy because of this, especially if you're someone who is lacking in your career stream. This particular opportunity will immediately give you an upper hand amongst all. So be ready to receive it, be ready to be the boss, and be ready to have that premium access to a certain thing that everybody doesn't. So claim it with the like. I'll see you tomorrow. Hello to the people of pile number 2. The message that is coming for you from Ma Lakshmi is that you are getting something that gives you the chance to celebrate. There was a certain money, there was a certain event, there was a certain financial situation which you felt was like a lost case. You felt that my money is gone, I bear the loss, or I gave it to somebody, I don't think it is coming back. But Ma Lakshmi is blessing you with generating a new money opportunity. Either that same money which you thought was a lost case, either you are receiving that from the same source, or you are getting a money from a different source. But do you know what the good news is? You are going to get something extra than that, which is more consistent and will make your financial position more powerful. So for example, if you lend somebody a loan, you are going to get money back even with the interest. Okay, so it is making your money position power. So there is definitely a change in the way your finances were working. Like if you were facing losses, now definitely from that particular cause something new is emerging, which is more continuous and more stable in your life. So claim it with a like. Hi pile 3, Ma Lakshmi is blessing you with a certain opportunity that you think you don't deserve, but she thinks you deserve that. She has seen how well you are with your work, how well you are with your passion and stuff, and that is why she is blessing you with the opportunity. It could be an opportunity of a job, it could be offer of certain investment decision. It could also be something that could be related to you investing in some kind of a property, a big investment decision which will be bringing you a lot of returns later in the life, but you are not accepting that because you feel you are not worthy enough for the same. But Ma Lakshmi is saying, trust me, you are worthy of that, and that is why this opportunity is being presented to you. Expect this to happen to you somewhere between 8 weeks to 8 months of time frame. So certain opportunity comes, do not reject it by underestimating your power. In fact, accept it, because if you do that, you will not believe how strongly and how powerfully your financial situation will take a total 360 turn, and that for good. So claim it with a like.